This video is very powerful for your business digital presence and your personal brand promotion. Firstly, I am searching about my name URL and which URL I want to mention. Here, look at this. Google already know about myself. He will mention about myself, about my LinkedIn profile, and showing my image also, which image I am using in LinkedIn. So how I will make that? There, following this guideline, later you will optimize your full digital presence for your business or your personal brand. First, optimize LinkedIn URL. Here, look at this. There URL no medial key later on my URL. So how you will make that? Just following this guideline. You just need which URL you want to optimize. Just take that and public profile and URL. That is first step. You go the pen icon, instantly redirect another page, and again click the pen icon, and your name later you will look like some of no medial key. Just remove that and save. That perfect, and it will look like that. Second, optimize Facebook, Instagram and Thread from my Facebook account, and go settings and account center, and then it will look like that. If your Facebook profile will be connected your Insta and Thread accounts, it will showing like that. And now I am optimized my Facebook, Instagram and Thread from account center, and just go the first one Facebook and go your username, and I remove this 2 digit, then done. And this work I will following for Insta, and I just remove that and done. Then I will do the Thread username, go there and remove the last no medial digit, then save and remove like that and save. Now the third step is write post, public problem and your solution architect. It is important for any type of profession. This is my, as a developer, this is my architect as a problem solution architect, where I am writing direct URL using in your business card that not showing perfect. Instant you can use my URL extension and make website URL, social media URL or Wi-Fi access or any shareable link to convert a QR code. That is my architect, problem solution architect. You can find your problem solution architect and post it regularly. And when you will post this like your problem solution architect, it will automatically making more impression in your LinkedIn profile. Look at my profile. Here you look, there I get more impression. And fourth step is comment same professionals other posts, and that is amazing part. You can do it manually. Also you can using my Chrome extension, free Chrome extension, and just go my contract section, my GitHub repo, and go the GitHub and then find out LinkedIn AI commenter. This is the extension which help to making comment without regular effort. Just clicking here and go download zip, and when download it will look like that as a zip. Now I need to extract this file. For that I will go the file manager and extract this file, extract all and click extract, and later extract I will go the Chrome browser, manage extension and open the developer toggle. Instant I get the load unpacked this thing. I just click here, and which I was unzipped, just I drop here selected folder, and it will look like that. Haha, this is funny part. And when you will download that and go the extension, now you need to setting a API key. You just set up mode from the direct Gemini API. Click here and go the Google AI Studio for API key. It will free. After going there, you will click get API key, and I was creating lots of API key from there. I need to create new one, so I create key. I click create key from here, and instant it will make a API key which I need. It will create, and just copy key and go the LinkedIn and go the extension LinkedIn AI commenter and paste it here, and I can test and also save. I save settings, and later you will look instant in comment box AI comment, this button, extra button. You click that and instant it will make a problem solution architect, a knowledge shareable brainstorming comment with name mentioned. That not generic AI generated comment. It look like the professional comment or brainstorming, and name was perfect mention. Again I recheck the name and comment, then the paste icon. That's it. I actively do that one by one. I make another one and I click the AI comment. Instant it make the comment, and look at this, there AB Khan mentioned the name perfectly in comment, and is brainstorming and knowledge shareable comment. This act you will do lots of time. LinkedIn depend on three things, always remember that. The first one is problem solution architect post. You find out your problem solution architect and post regularly in your LinkedIn, and comments other post with my free extension and likes other post. That's enough for your LinkedIn growth. Now you set up a portfolio where connected all things about yourself. There I made a portfolio for myself. You can make like that or another. There have CV, there have my social media, and there is my skill section which is automatically sliding, and that is my experience section, that is my education, and later that is my work, which work I was committed before. There I implement details information and YouTube video about my project, and like that. The next section is booking flow, about myself. Who want to take a service from myself, he just click there and make a booking. And also I can share this booking link in my social media and any other place where I want. I make a booking and write a message. I want to make a website, and click the request booking, and instant it will go the admin panel. There was possible to implement message and email notification system in booking flow. I refresh that and go again the bookings. Look at this. There before I was making without number, just email, and that is right now which I create as a booking. And I can also delete from here, and I edit the website every section from here. I can create multiple projects with category: service, education, experience, skill, social media, and hero. And later you just need to create, after creating a portfolio, you just make a bridge in your social media one by one. Look at this. There I am connecting my GitHub and my portfolio in LinkedIn, and the same thing I make in Facebook also. In Facebook, if I go the Seymour, there my LinkedIn account is connecting. You just make a bridge between your also one social media to another. That is the absolute work for your digital presence setup.